going on, guys? Got a microwave. Going to be changing out the microwave smartboard, and we'll start with taking out screws up top here to pull the vent cover off. And the issue is the lights underneath right here aren't coming on. Turn it on, nothing. High, low, then off. So we're going to start with unplugging it, and we'll change out the board. I already put new bulbs in, checked the sockets, everything's good. So we're going to go with the board. Take out the 4 screws up top to get the vent cover off. Out of the way. And then over here there's a screw right on top of the board. Take that one out. And then we'll just lift this up, tilt it forward. And we see all the wires back there. So you just go ahead and start unplugging these. Okay, once you have your panel down, you can go ahead and take out these couple screws. And then we want to take out this ribbon here. So we want to slide this little piece up like that and pull the ribbon out of the board. Okay, once you have all your screws out, slide it down. Here's our old board. Here's our new microwave smartboard, GE. And now we'll start with the top, slide it up in here. Drop it down, make sure all your screws line up. Put the ribbon in first. Have that slid up like that. Once you have the ribbon down, once it's in all the way, then you push this down, locks it in. Now just put our screws back. Plug it back in. Okay, once you have everything plugged in, set the bottom in first. Put the screw back in the top. Okay, now we'll test out the light. So we'll plug the microwave back in. And let's see. go. That's that issue. All right. So that was a bad board. Now we'll put the vent cover back on the top. Put the bottom part in first, and then slide the top in underneath. Where all your screw holes line up. You don't want to go ripping this off without taking these screws out. You'll break all the brackets where the screws go down in. Set the clock. Let's see here. It's 12:27 p.m. Alright, that's replacing a SmartBoard and a GE above the range microwave. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.